In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a Google account without a Gmail address. Start by opening your web browser. In the address bar at the top, type the Google account sign-up page address. Then press the Enter key to load the sign-up form. On the first screen, enter your first name in the first box and your last name in the second box. Take a moment to check for spelling, since this information is used to personalize your account. When you are ready, click the Next button in the bottom right corner. Now you will be asked for some basic details. Use the drop-down menus to select your birthday and your gender. Make sure your birthday is accurate because it can affect account features and recovery options later. After you select the correct information, click Next. On the next page, you will see options for your email. You can choose one of the suggested email addresses, or you can type your own. This is the username you will use to sign in. If the one you want is not available, try a small variation until it accepts it. When you have made your selection, click Next. Now it is time to create your password. Type a strong password in the first box, then type the exact same password again in the second box to confirm it. A strong password is typically a longer one, with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Enter it carefully both times so the confirmation matches. Then click Next. Depending on your situation, Google may prompt you to enter a phone number. If you are prompted and you want to add one, type it in as requested. If you prefer not to, click Skip. After that, click Next to review your account information. Finally, you will reach the Privacy and Terms page. Scroll all the way to the bottom so you can proceed. Once you have reached the end, click the I agree button to complete the setup. And that is all there is to it.